download db2 connect developers edition for windows from this link. I'm sending a mail, and download the db2 connect and install it on your machine. uh, like I will show you the connectivity, how that is done. For that you will need to connect to a whole VPN, mandatory. And once that is done, you can go to this folder IBM db2, and from there you can open setup tools and configuration assistant. This db2 connect was already installed. This is just for connectivity. Okay, in the meantime we'll see where we can get the IP address and the port number. Actually, we'll be connecting to NTD1. If you go to NTD and MSTR, you can find there the TCP port, that is 7141. Okay, we will need this while connecting to the ZOS mainframe, means to the ZOS. Okay, see, it is asking welcome to db2 connect configuration assistant. Would you like to add to the database? Oh yes, it treats every connection as a database. Like we'll select how you want to set up a connection. We'll choose manual configuration, then put a next, and we'll take TCP IP. Since our connection is on mainframe, we'll click this. The database physically resides on a host or OS 400 system. Connect directly to the server because we don't have any gateway to connect to. Host name is going to be dev1, and port is 7141. dev1 means the URL to which we are connecting, and this is the port through which it will connect to NTD1. Every db2 subsystem on a LPAR will have different port numbers. Okay, then press next. Database name is going to be NTD1. That is the connection name we will be using. Okay, as a system DSN, data source name NTD1. We need not optimize for anything. Okay, operating system, you can choose ZOS, OS 390 or ZOS, or MVS ESA. Okay, instance name, like NTD1. Okay, now system name is dev1, host name, that is, okay, I made a mistake over there. It is dev1 dot USA. If you connect to the whole VPN anyway, it will like it can resolve the dev1 host name, but this will be a bit first. You can also try doing a TSO ping dev1. See, you can get the IP address. This is the URL and this is the IP address. Okay, you can give any one of them. Then press next. Server authentication, again press next. Configure DCS, leave that like that on alone. Okay, now the configuration for database NTD1 was successful. Okay, you can try testing the connection. Use CLI, and you give user ID as your backup ID and password, and you can see, you can put a test connection. See, CLI connection tested successfully. Cancel, close. Okay, so my connection means my entry has been done. Okay, next step, you can now close this one if you want to. Okay, next step would be, suppose I want to connect to mainframe through distributed systems. Again, I will need to go to IBM db2, and from there I can open command line tools and the command editor. So command editor is again like a GUI to connect to our mainframe db2. This connection setting that we have done is an one time activity. um, okay, see here there is no target. Okay, we will open the command center, control center, sorry, control center. We'll give, okay,